Hi, welcome to Kyung's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. 안녕하세요. Today I'm going to share brand new recipe called the crumbled seasoned tofu. And praise God for the new recipe that I can share with you. Let's go and start. First, you will need 1 package tofu, water pack, 16 ounce. I will use the foam. I'm going to put my gloves on, sanitation gloves. Put in the mixing bowl. When you open the box, make sure that wash it thoroughly. But you don't have to drain any water out. Then we are going to make a mash it with the hand. This is more like scrambled tofu. Using it without chicken-like seasoning, and it's very delicious. Now I already have scrambled tofu recipe, so I just named the crumbled seasoned tofu with the different ingredients. Okay, after you crumbling, tofu contains a perfect protein. So this is a good protein substitute in vegan way. You need a half medium onion chopped, 2 green onions chopped, and 3/4 teaspoons salt, then half teaspoon onion powder, half tablespoon this is a garlic powder, okay. Half teaspoon garlic powder, then half tablespoon onion powder, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast flake. No, you need 1/8 teaspoon turmeric. Now you're gonna mix it thoroughly. I'm gonna go and turn the fire on while I'm mixing it. Put it on the medium high. And nutritional yeast flakes. It contains vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12. Wonderful vitamins for your stress and depress and energy, and good for the skin, digestion and hair, nails, and make energy. Also high in potassium, magnesium, calcium, selenium, and zinc. It also contains protein and fiber, and also high in antioxidant. This is wonderful, wonderful. Also, nutritional flakes. It gives you bring the good flavor. Put some little bit of oil. Have to be careful. Then you're gonna put all this mixture take it all out. Okay. Then you're gonna cook until nice and hot, and the onions will turn to like a clear color and ready to serve. Usually takes about a few minutes. So what I will do, I will come back and show you the finished product, so don't go away. Welcome back. And all is ready. So you can just serve as breakfast. Put some here called the crumbled seasoned tofu with the toast and some fruit. Or you can use it as a taco, or breakfast or lunch taco. Then put it in corn tortilla. Then you can fold it. Then you can enjoy. So go and put it here. you can make like a lunch, like this is like a sub bread, and you can make a sub sandwich with this. So you can make it so many different ways. If you have a cracker, you can put on the cracker on topping. Here you go. So, you know, God is so wonderful, and He created so many delicious things, so we need to find a way to enjoy the food. So here's finished product for you. If you like to have written recipe, it's in the description. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Thank you for watching. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.